Okay, here's what I've done so far. I've taken the shift drum, and I've been doing it for about an hour. Taken some honing stone oil, and I've been placing it on my honing stone, a couple of drops. Putting it on there, smearing it around. And before, I would hit that spot and it would sound really bad, and now it's just kind of, it's quieting down. It's not as, doesn't stand out audio-y. Pretty quiet. So I went through the whole barrel, the whole drum, and I hit down almost every single high spot. Then I went down and took a corner and I hit every channel or every valley, galley, whatever you want to call it, the point where this pin sits into, and knocked off and gave it a slight chamfer or bevel, if you will. And now I am going to, hi everybody, I'm going to chuck up my honer. I'm going to go ahead and do the good one first. So let me go ahead and chuck this up first and get it set up. See if I can do this, get you a good view here. So I've got the honing stones inside. It's a tri-blade honing stone. Each stone is kind of worn down a little bit. I did this last time. So you collapse the stones or bring them together, spring activated. Put a little cutting fluid in there. You know, a liberal amount works better than less. So I'll probably sit here for about half an hour or so. Maybe not even that much. But all it's doing is just, this is taking off a little bit at a time. And all I want to do is just get out the scars. And every while, once in a while, dropping on a couple more drops of this cutting fluid. Oops. Anyways, I think you guys get the gist, right? So, hopefully here shortly, before I go to bed, I'll have this at least done. I plan to do the one in the back inside the motor itself, because I can't get it out without taking all the, I have to take all the gears out, which I do not want to do, because that's a drastic little puzzle I'm not very good with, I'll say you that much. Alright, so when you're done, or when I'm done, it should look like this. Let me get that light out of your way. So it's a lot smoother. Let's see what it looks like when oh yeah, I think I took down that high spot, by the way. Remember in that last video, I think I showed where it did stick on the shift drum. So here, I can't stand that light. Hopefully I can block it out of the way. Okay, so now we've got the drum and the fork. And before, it got caught on gear selector 1. So this is dry, it has no fluid or lubrication on it. It's kind of gritty, feels like it, but look, it will go all the way down the shift drum. and that's what you want. With no lubrication, it's doing a good job. Before, it would get caught right here. Wouldn't go any further because of that gall. Knocked it all the way down, honed out this one, so this one will be able to go back in. This one I don't trust it just yet. I need to go ahead and hone that out. You can see all the scarring in it. It's really bad. So maybe I'll do another video here shortly.